What's up, everybody? Happy New Year, guys. Zach is back. Hopefully everybody had a wonderful New Year. Hopefully you didn't party too hard. End up waking up missing your socks or something. I mean, who knows? I want to start this new year off with a quick little video based off of an item that I purchased last year that I actually got quite a lot of messages about. Without boring you guys all about the details on it, let's just get straight into it. So it's the Danmoto Carbon GP exhaust. Now, it disappeared shortly after I bought it. I come to find out that it disappeared shortly after I bought it because the fact that they were releasing a newer, updated model. So I will indeed have the link of the exhaust system in the description below to purchase the exhaust system. It's not going to be the exact one that I have. It actually looks better than the one that I have. It's the revamped, new, updated model. Without further ado, let's get into it, guys. All right, so this right here is the Danmoto Carbon GP exhaust, guys, that you saw. I did a little mini series based on it. To make it short and sweet, man, this exhaust is awesome. So I got this thing at the spur of a moment deal. I just happened to come across it while I was browsing some goods online, and I got this exhaust shipped to my door for less than $100. Now, one thing I want to mention to you guys real fast is this spark arrestor right here. So if you've got any type of basic knowledge or basic know-how, or you think you can figure out how to do it, I custom fabricated the OEM's pipe spark arrestor to fit this. It was super simple. Took me less than an hour to do. I'm no machinist. I don't do, didn't require any type of welding. What I did is I drilled a little hole in the top, slid it in there, cut a circle around the inside of the spark arrestor here. Didn't chop the spark arrestor, didn't make it any shorter, didn't do any of that crazy stuff. Just cut a circle in the metal plate that's almost kind of like a square. I drilled a hole straight through the top of the exhaust into this one, put a locking nut, and everything's nice and secure. So if you have or think you want to tinker with it, it literally took me less than an hour to do that, guys. Probably honestly took me more like 35 minutes. If you require a spark arrestor, you're going to want one. These exhausts do not come with one. They only offer a DB killer, which I ordered, which I got with the exhaust. But if you need to have a spark arrestor, you're going to want to fabricate one for it. So I believe that these exhausts are, even right now, without the sale, I believe that they're $150, dirt cheap. Beats the hell out of the $300, $400, $100 exhaust. Some are even more than that. And if you're not worried about saving a couple $100, no big deal. I bought this just to test it out for you guys, just to see how it was firsthand. A lot of reviews on it were awesome. That's for street bikes and everything. I like it, man. It fits up real nice. It's super, super reliable. It sounds great. The only thing that I had occur to me was I must have snagged this rubber on something, if you guys saw my last video, and I went ahead and I fixed that, and I readjusted the bolt here. I put a little bit of a bigger nut in there to back it off some. It wasn't a problem beforehand. So the only real thing that I had to do to this thing was the spark arrestor. The exhaust has at least 3,000 miles on it now. 3,000 miles on a sub $100 exhaust. That looks great. It's not rusting. It's not tarnished. I got a little bit of scratches on the carbon fiber, just like in the clear coat. They claim it to be real carbon fiber. I'm not going to say whether it is or not because I don't know. I mean, it looks it to me. It feels it to me. This bike's been let down quite a lot with that on there, on the trails and everything, and it still looks really good. But yeah, I mean, that's what she looks like. Over 3,000 miles on this thing. Don't mind this. This is coming off. It's just hanging down right this second a little. Well, that does it for this video, guys. I really wanted to just wish everybody a Happy New Year. I hope everybody had a Happy New Year. Happy New Year's Eve. Didn't get too crazy out there. I got a lot of things in store for you guys this year. Hopefully we have a much better year. We're over 800 subscribers now, so we're really close to that 1,000 mark. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Let's keep that number going up. It's went up pretty quick, and I want to keep putting out really good content for you. The more I do it, the better it's going to get, obviously. I've got a lot of really cool things coming up this year for you guys, but hopefully this year we can have a much better year, have this COVID thing going, have this pandemic thing going. I know it messed up a lot of people's lives this past year, and we're going to get a lot of ride time in for you guys. Stay tuned. Adventure Zach is out. I'll see you guys on the next one.